Welcome back to Harbor Freight. And today is something a little bit different. What I want to go over is a question I've been seeing is, although there's deals happening, deals going on, are prices going up? And from what I've seen, not just recently, but over the past year that I've been looking at prices, trying to verify them using hazard fraud, prices do go up and prices do go down, regardless of anything that's happening right now. Prices have gone up or gone down, but our price is changing right now. So we're just going to go through, see if we can spot anything. And we're on hazard fraud. We're looking at the tab called recent price changes, which I want to say for the most part does a decent job of tracking price changes. I don't think this website is perfect, but it could be close. Or to give us a good idea. So we see these grit sanding belts. Of course, if it's in green, it has had a price drop recently. And at least for these sanding belts, it could be that they're on sale right now because all three are showing they're at their lowest price. So we'll look at one. Looks like it hadn't changed price or it was the same price since 2021. And then now as of March 31st, it's gone down to $347. So definitely a price change and a recent price change compared to a price that hadn't gone down in over 3-4 years. But of course, just because it's a price change doesn't mean there could be multiple reasons for that. And in this case, it's on clearance. So one of those reasons could be that maybe Warrior or Harbor Freight or whoever are trying to get rid of any old stock. And so they're clearance pricing it because they're bringing in a new stock item. And we do see that. It could be the case. Or it could be that they already have it in and they're trying to get rid of old stock. So we are seeing a price decrease, but there could be multiple reasons for that. So we have, and these all look like either 47 cents or 97 cents, which means they're all going to be marked clearance prices. And looks like it is. And then same for the 1x30 inch. Hadn't changed in 3 or 4 years, and it's down to $297, which again is a clearance pricing. And then looking on, we'll try to be brief and maybe we'll do a deep dive into some of the bigger ones. So 3/8 inch drive SAE ball hex socket, 6 piece has gone up 22%. Recently, as of March 31st, it is up to $11. Looks like it was recently at $9 since March of 2024. Before that, it was down to $8 as of January 2023. So it did see a price increase before that. It came out at $9. So yes, definitely a price increase recently. And we see this 20% rise in the quarter drive e-torque socket set, 15% rise in the 3/8 inch drive metric impact socket set, 15% here for the 8-piece SAE as well. 3/8 inch half-inch drive metric hex socket set, 9 pieces gone up 13%. 3/8 inch drive metric impact deep socket set, 8-piece gone up 20%. That's also as of March 31st. It was at $15 back in April of 2024, just below that in January. And it was been about $15, came out all the way back in 2021 at $12.99. Definitely a pretty steep increase with this last increase there. 20% here, SAE impact socket set. These are the Pittsburgh ones. So maybe across the line on Pittsburgh, seeing some increases here. This 3/8 inch drive SAE hex socket set up to $17 was at $15. Pretty consistently over the last 4 years. Came out at $14, now at $17. So this is Pittsburgh as well. And we do have these long reach hex bit socket sets, 7 pieces. They're both down 12%. So these actually went down in price as of March. So back in August of 2022, they're at $17, and these have actually come down in price. So these are the ones that it's not clearance, it's Pittsburgh, and it does say when purchased online, it's $14.99. So I wonder what these are priced at in store, which I would imagine are the same. We have this half-inch drive SAE impact deep socket set, 13-piece up 10%. The metric also up 10%. Kind of see across the line here, 7%, 7%, 7%, 7%, 6%, 6%. We do have decreases though. Here on these half-inch drive SAE impact swivel socket sets, it's currently at $35, but it was all the way up to $39 since July of 2022. So it was up in price for a while, came out at $33, but they have lowered it back down as of March 31st to $35. And these are also the Pittsburgh half-inch drive SAE impact swivel socket set. And so again, there could be multiple reasons. We are seeing a lot more red than green, but I wonder why these green pieces specifically have been dropped in price. Could be sales trends, not as many people buying them, And the more popular items that people are buying are the ones that they're going to increase the price on. We do have this 3/8-inch drive SAE metric master impact socket set, 48 piece. So I do think this is one of their popular items, and it shows an 11% increase. So it's $99.99, listed at $99.99 now. This Quinn 48 piece 3/8 drive. There's also the half inch, which is $190. So this 3/8-inch drive shows an 11% increase here as of March 31st, and it was at $90 really since September of 2023. Looks like it had a Black Friday sale back in 2023, but over the last year and a half, almost 2 years now, it was pretty steady, and now this one has gone up to $99. And then just to look at the half inch SAE and Metric Master Socket Impact socket set, 61 pieces, now listed at $190, and was recently, as of January of this year, was down to $160. Looks like the normal price over the last few years has been $180. And it came out at $170. So there has been a price increase on this up to $190. And here on this page, more of a mixture of green and red, although green for these super low clearance items, price you kind of tell by the prices that end in 47 or 97 tend to be clearance. But we have some more swivel socket sets, 5% increase. A lot of green here on these less than $10 items. 20% increase on this drive star bit socket set. 8% on this 1/4 inch and 3/8-inch drive e-torque socket set, 20% on this 1/2 inch drive impact flip socket set, 3-piece, up to $18. 3% on this 1-inch drive SAE metric truck service impact set, 10% increase on this 1/2 inch drive SAE metric lug nut impact socket sets. I think that's a pretty popular item. One big ticket item here, which I want to take a look at, says it's up 4%. McGraw 250, the 20-gallon 135 PSI oil lube vertical shop auto air has gone up from 240 to 250, and it was at 240 back in December, and it looks like it was at 240 since September of 2023 when it had a drop in price. It looks like the normal price, I mean, it's fluctuated quite a bit, but for most of its time it's been about $250. It did come out in 2021 at $200, and they quickly raised the price. At one point it was down to $165 back in May of 2021, but is now up to $250. So slight increase there, and seeing quite a bit of green here. Although for some oddball tools, this professional airbrush compressor kit is down 10%. As of March 31st, hadn't changed price, came out in May of 2024 at $200. The 15 amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw, it's down 20%, and it's at its lowest price. This is regular list price. So back in May of 2023, it's at $100, and it has dropped down to $80 as of March 31st. Even better with the ITC deal, but it is down to $80, which is the lowest it's been. And then a lot of the sanding discs, looks like it's a checkered price increase and price decreases. A lot of these high vis socket sets up 11%, 11%, 25% here, 10%, 10%, 11%, 18%. As of March 24th, 2025 was down. Back in November 2023, these were $11, and now they're up to $13. So these are ones that it's difficult, I guess, to see the price change because it's only gone up $1 or $2 unless you're looking at it really closely. But 20%, 20%, 9%. So if I had a venture to say if prices are going up, my gut feel, and kind of from what I'm seeing, at least from these recent price changes that are happening in March, is for a lot of the fast moving items, there is a slight increase in price. Now, I haven't been tracking this long enough so to say why there's this price increase. Multiple reasons for that. But that's why a site like this is so valuable. So you know, if you need to verify that you're actually getting a deal, you can verify that you're actually getting a deal. Twin ratchet, 5% up, 3/8 drive metric chrome deep socket set 10-piece up 13%. March 24th. So I'll leave it at that. Our price is going up. Potentially, possibly, it does look like it. I know there is price changes that happen all the time. My recommendation is verify, and I'll do my best to verify these deals for you as well. So happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.